for so long. Without you, I don't know what to do. It's not the same as before. Beside me, oh, I miss you so. You know that I love you so. In my heart, you're the only one. Hope that you come back to me.
Girl, now that you're gone, stay without you, feel so long I can't. Cause I don't have you right beside me. That's the way you and I should be, close together until forever. So when we're old, we could remember our lives until once more, like the way back it was before. Close to you, it's all I wanna do, to be with you. It's like a dream come true. I miss your hug, I miss your kiss, I miss your touch of a true kiss. Our love makes a lot of affection. No fight, no obsession. I'm saying this with no hesitation. Cause girl,
you're my one and only love. What I feel for you is something deep. This will last forever, the way it should be. Oh boy, I miss you so. You know that I love you so. In my heart, you're the only one. Hope that you come back to me.
Well, I'll be back, don't you worry cause it wouldn't crack. I'll be there for you cause I'll be coming back straight at ya. You know I really miss ya. Your name is written in my heart, so don't you even betcha. I'll be around, so don't you ever frown. We'll be together sharing our crown. I'm the king, you're the queen, true love we're gonna bring. With you is reality, my heart is gonna sing. To live together, till death forever. You'll be in my heart, so girl please remember that you're the one, my only one. In my heart there is no other one. You, just only you. You're the girl of my dream, my love is real too. I'll be coming back, you know I will miss it, don't you worry, cause I'm gonna be with you.
You're my one and only love. What I feel for you is something deep. This will last forever, the way it should be. Oh boy, I miss you so. You know that I love you so. In my heart, you're the only one. Hope that you come back to me. Oh boy, I miss you so. You know that I love you so. In my heart, you're the only one. Hope that you come back to me.
together forever, how I wish could be forever. The love that we share, I'll cherish it forever for the rest of my life until the day that I die. It cost me so much pain that time I said goodbye that I love you. But I promise I'll be back to give you all my love and let's put things on the right track. You and I, together we will be steady so close forever, lovers we will be.